Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Trust me, guys, it's gonna motivate me more for me to post more videos and a lot more. So how's it going, you guys? How's it been? How did you guys sleep? I want to know. Leave a comment down below. I want to know what's going on in your lives. I don't know. I'm not really doing anything right now. I'm just waiting to go pick up my nephew. That's all I'm waiting for. I think I'm gonna be a little busy today too. It's not gonna be that much of probably a fun vlog. I mean, usually my vlogs aren't really that fun, but like I talk to you guys. I try. You know, So, I'll definitely try to do something fun today. Because I do have what's it called? Cornhole. I think that's what the game's called, cornhole. I do have that, and I'm gonna see if I could play with my nephew or something, or like with Catherine or Kim, anybody. So, I mean, because my sister has family over, so I'm gonna see if we could do that with them for a little bit. So maybe they'll enjoy that. So I'm just waiting. It's like probably like almost 11 o'clock now. So I have to go pick up my nephew at like 2:16. So after that, I'm gonna go and pick him up. So yeah, I have that much time to talk with you guys. So if anything happens between then and now, then yeah, I'll definitely vlog it for you guys. So yeah, I am supposed to go to I do want to go to the bank and put some money in the bank. So yeah, but I don't have a ride right now. So I don't know. We'll see what happens today, you guys. But I'll check you guys. I'll check in with you guys later. So peace out. Okay, you guys. So I'm all showered up and everything. So my hair is still wet from being in the shower and all that. So I'm gonna do a really quick video of how I do my hair. I'm just waiting for the strainer to heat up right now. So after that, look, it just turns into this. So all you gotta do is just keep brushing it with a brush like this, because it has the little holes right here, so the air goes through. So every time you brush it, it gets like this, puffing it. So you're gonna want something like that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this to get hot now. So okay. After that, it's gonna look like something like this. Make sure you guys get those curves out of the way and go like on the actual side of your head. Like follow the way you want it to go. Make sure it actually goes that way. So yeah. So the next thing I do is I have Murray's Super Light wax, hair wax. So no, this is not a sponsor, but I wish I was sponsored by them because I wouldn't run out of berries. I actually love their wax, so I prefer their wax over beeswax. So I mean, I'll give beeswax a try again and see what happens. But I like this one, but I do like the regular wax, like the really thick wax. I do like that one because it holds more. This one's just for like style, if you want to like still able to move your hair around and all that. So this one's really good when you use that one. So all I do is basically, let me get it off really quick. So it looks like that. Looks really nasty, right? Anyway, so you grab like, see how like really like gooey it is. See, look, it's like, come on, look, see. But yeah, I don't know, I don't use that much, but so I basically just use like a finger of wax, spread it all on my hands like this, like I'm putting soap on, but not on the other side of my hands because it's weird. And then all you do is then you just mess your hair up, basically. Mess it all up like this. Mess it all up until you get the back, the sides, the tips of your hair. And then basically just put it in style like that. So put it this way if I wanted to. I think it looks better for my side. But yeah, I do my hair just like that. Just like that, right? Awesome. So it looks just like the same way I straightened it and everything, you know, but just, you know, with wax. It's not hard to do. A lot of people say, oh, it's really hard. No, it's not. You just gotta watch a video, see how they do it, and then you can do it also. So yeah. So let's continue on with the vlog, you guys. I mean, I'm done with my hair, right? You guys know how I do my hair now. See? So yeah, that's pretty much how I do my hair. So I will see you guys later. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that little time lapse slash little cut videos and what the fuck? Look at me. I was like, nope, I'm done with this. Anyways, you guys, so yeah, that's how I do my hair when I go do stuff and all that. So when I'm lazy, you guys see what it looks like. It looks flat and really ugly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little. Hold on. The hell? I heard freaking noise. That was weird. It was like some tapping noise. Freaking ghost. Leave me alone. Fuck, man. Alright, that was weird. Okay, so so I have nothing to do until 2. So see what happens. So well, you know, I'm edit this later. So I'm gonna post it. I posted another video today, the same day you're watching this. So I posted another video a couple minutes ago. So, if you guys want, there's 2 vlogs up. So there's the one from yesterday, or the day before, I think, and this one. So you guys have 2 vlogs to watch. Thumbs up. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment down below, you guys, on both of those on both of this video and that video. Go and check out my other videos too. That'd be really awesome if you guys did. I have some drum cover videos. I have some really funny taste test videos with my friends and me. I have a video that I was so bored that I was like, you know what? I'm gonna show people how to make ramen the way I make it. So I have a video of me doing that. I have a video of me and Kim and all of our friends. Well, Kim and my family, and her little sister trying ice cream that I got. So I don't know. Those are really fun videos I did. Make sure you guys go check You guys go check those out. Leave a like and comment down below on all those videos, you guys. And make sure you guys subscribe down below. You guys, I'm at 38 subscribers actually. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers right now, but I don't know, it's going really slow. So I want to get to 50 subscribers, you guys. 50 subscribers. I want to get there at least, you know. That is my goal for this year. So or for like whenever that happens, that is my goal for right now. To 50, then, you know, 100 is gonna be my goal. You know, that's my goal. So make sure you guys go leave a like and comment down below on each of those videos. I'll leave a link in the description below for all those videos. And I'll leave the links. No, I'll leave the my accounts on from my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So make sure you go follow me on those. And I have nothing else to say. So make sure you guys go do that. Make sure you guys go watch the last vlog that I posted up today. And I will see you guys later when I go pick up my nephew. So peace out, you guys. Peace. Ooh, look. Nope. Bad boys. What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
You wanna come for you.
It's a nice cooler.
Oh, okay, cool. See how close I can get it?
They ran out of cigarettes. That's why they're at the smoke shop.
So I'm at Dollar Tree right now, and they have this. Fuck, I forget his name. Vampire. I forget his name. Dracula. There we go. Dracula. He looks so confused right now. Like, he's like, "What the fuck did you just say to me?" Or some shit. That shit's funny. But yeah, they have Halloween stuff out right now at Dollar Tree. And yeah. See what else. And the storm is getting closer and closer to Las Vegas. Oh my god, this one's gonna be a shocker. And there's a guy back now.
I want to take all my light bulbs because I just borrow these. They're expensive ones, but you guys can have them. I don't have a thing to cover that, so if you find them in your backyard, bring it.
Oh no. I don't
You know,
have
one of those
Yeah.
glass things?
Yeah, I don't know. What happened to it?
I threw it away because I forgot I took it off when I first got the house, and then I found it in the garage, and I was like, how's this from here? And I threw it away when I was cleaning the garage.
Mm-hmm. I think you can get it at Home Depot. What time is it?
What is he doing with the bones?
Nothing. He's just laying there.
So yeah, we gotta buy it. We're gonna buy it.
I'm gonna go.
A vlog footage.
Alright, we're gonna get these boxes. Huh? Yeah. My son.
Forward.
See you later, ZZ. Oh, yeah. Okay, now he'll go. Oh. Nope. Game's over.
Bye, Ford. Just walking over here at Subway. Getting myself a Subway, so I'm gonna eat really quick and I'll be back with you guys later. This elevator is so sketchy. I really hate it. I'm at the doctor's right now. My mom. I don't get my phone charger because my phone's almost dead, so yeah. And I think it's raining. No, it's not. I thought it'd be raining, but it's not. See, it's clear as day, actually. Well, not really, but it's whatever. I don't know, so how's your guys' days going? I really hate to tell you guys this, but I'm not gonna be able to post a vlog later, probably till I have my Wi-Fi up. So once that goes up, I'll definitely be signing up for you guys. So I'm gonna be vlogging this whole time, even if there's no Wi-Fi. So yeah. But see you guys later after my mom's appointment and all that. I'm really tired, so I might go and go get some Yogurtland with Kim. So maybe I'll see you guys then. So who knows? I don't know. Well, I'll see you guys later. Okay, you guys. So I'm home. It is the end of the vlog, so I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. It's down there, right there. You know what to do. You guys know what to do. So leave a comment down below. Tell me how your day was, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, you guys.